Hey everybody, it's Terry here from Coffee and Creative Planners, your Tula 12 Executive Brand Director, and today I am here to share with you our newest Create, Organize, and Plan September 2023 kit, Paris in the Fall. So let's go ahead and get started. I am just going to slide these over here out of the way for 1 second. Let's start with the actual kit itself. Now, this is the most beautiful kit ever. It has been by far my favorite so far. It does come with our information card. If you click on this little QR code right here, it will take you to the video on YouTube that shows you different ways to use the kit. So let's jump right in. Now, we always have a couple of papers and some die cuts. I'm gonna work my way from the top down to the bottom. So we have these adorable die cuts this month. A sweet little Cafe de Paris, probably a little coffee and bread shop, I would imagine. A cute little map. Love this die cut so much. There it goes. And of course, the Eiffel Tower. So those are our 3 little die cuts. We also have our 3 little wood buttons. We've got that sweet little cafe again. We have a macaron. Look how cute that is. I just want to bite it. And then we have, of course, our adorable Eiffel Tower. And our coaster. So, you know, all of our Create, Organize, and Plan kits come with a coaster for the month. I love this so much. Our journal card, and this says, Paris is always a good idea. Love the colors in this, the pastels, the bright oranges and the pinks. Oh, so pretty together. We have a full-size sticker sheet, which is going to come in major handy. We also have our CIY, which is Create It Yourself project for this month, which is a bookmark. So we have the cardstock already cut for our bookmark, as well as a bag with our cord and some beads in here so that you can make a beaded bookmark. And then our 2 papers, our 2 double-sided papers. The first one is this beautiful, beautiful fall foliage on the first side. Then on the second side, check this out. This is something that's new for us and I absolutely love it. It is boxes of things. So you can actually cut out the boxes or you could use it as one entire sheet. I'm gonna move that a little closer so you can see how beautiful it is. They're turned all different which ways, so no matter which way you use it, it's gonna look amazing. Then we also have our map. Now this is very similar to the little map over here on the die cut, just a little bit bigger. And then on the other side of this, we have some sweet macarons. So very, very pretty. That is the kit and what comes in it. Now we also have a little goodie bag because as you know, there are always some fun little extras and exclusives. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. First thing I am gonna share with you is our sticker. And these are sticky notes and it says Paris is always a good idea. And so these are just adorable. I love that they're a little bit lighter so that you can write on them really easily. We also have some washi tape and this is the sweet macarons. Let's see if you can get that in there. So it's, there we go. Super, super pretty. And then last but not least, our exclusive item, I'm opening it up because I have to show it to you outside of the plastic, is our magnetic clip. And look how pretty this is with the Eiffel Tower, the macaroons on the side, running down the back with the 12. Look how pretty that is. Oh, so pretty. So the magnetic clip is our exclusive item. So everything that you see here is what comes in our kit. Now, we also have an exclusive insert of the month. It is our travel insert. This is the size large. I haven't been everywhere yet, but it's on my list. I love this travel insert so much. So each page gives you a different opportunity to make sure that you have all of your details planned for your trip, which is amazing. This is typically for a longer type of a travel trip. So you've got your airfare over here if you're renting a vehicle, what your accommodations might be, and you might stay in more than one place, right? Depending on the trip. Things that you need to do before leaving, packing list, plenty of space for a packing list here, which I love. Budgeting, we all should budget on our vacations just to have an idea, right, of what we might need, what we might want to do. And then there's places to see, things to do. And then it gets into your itinerary overview. So this is actually good for a 10-day vacation. You don't have to only use it for 10 days though. If you're going away for 4, 5, 6, 7 days, you can totally use it for that. I can help you fill in the extra boxes for things to make it still useful. And then you have 2-page spread for the rest of the days in this insert. So what your first date might be, what your activity schedule was, things you don't want to miss, quick notes that you want to keep track of, what the weather was, that might be important, favorite moments, your favorite food, and then you have a block over here that you can kind of do different things in. I absolutely love the memory keeping aspect of this because I know from somebody that travels all the time, it's important to keep those details, especially if you are a scrapbooker or a memory keeper of any sort. Sometimes when we get home, by the time we get the pictures printed, we're like, wait, where was that? What was happening? Something funny was said, but I can't remember what it was. So take it from me, this is an amazing insert. And so the rest of the insert is all about the memory keeping portion. And again, this is the size large. Now, when you purchase the kit and the exclusive insert together, you are also going to get for free this amazing, cute little decal. And this is also sold separately. So if you like the decal and you don't want one or the other components, you can buy all of these individually. But if you do get these together, you are going to get that sweet little decal for free. So that is our Paris in the Fall, September Create, Organize, and Plan Kit. Thank you guys so much for watching my unboxing, and I hope to see you soon. Take care, everybody.